guys? Welcome to the vlog. It's Saturday, and I don't know if you can hear this, but listen. It's like freezing rain pellets. Look at it. And I'm about to go drive on the road because I'm going to go get Dan from the mall, Square One, which is like 15-20 minutes away, because he's coming down for the weekend because it's my birthday weekend. My birthday was actually Thursday. I turned 22. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. So hopefully the drive isn't too bad. Hopefully I don't slide. Skirt, skirt. Anyways, see you in the car. Super dangerous right now here, guys. Like, there's this like ledge that the camera is sitting on, but it's all covered in ice. I hope it doesn't fall down there. Anyways, we picked up Dan. We're in the parking garage here at Square One, and today's actually supposed to be like a super like bad rain ice storm. So maybe tomorrow morning it'll look sick, and like there's supposed to be power outages and all that. But we'll see how it is. The drive wasn't too bad, and right now it's just. Look at this. This is what the camera's sitting on. Ice. Ice. Alright, heading back home now. Alright, it's still pretty crazy outside right now. Like, it is not stopping this freezing rain, torrential downpour. So I'm gonna go have a little fun out in the driveway. I just want to record something. Because there's nothing to record. I can't go outside. Anyways, okay. That was just a stupid idea, but it was kind of fun. Get some sick slow-mo. Not the best. Do it in my NMD, but... Alright guys, it's still nuts out here. Like, been snowing for 2 days straight. It's the next day, if you didn't know. And, I have an idea that hopefully I can do. It shouldn't be too bad. I'm gonna see if I can drive to the hill, like down the road over there, and yeah, just go do some snow surfing, dude, or sledding, whatever you want to call it. Which one should I take? Bring both just in case. Matt might come, but it's also really shitty outside, so probably not the best idea to be driving outside right now, but we'll see. It's lit, dude! Hey, yo, we're ready to go, dude! Alright, goggles on, no helmet, and
no bucky.
We're gonna go see how it is. This is probably a stupid idea, but it'll be fun.
Quick little drift on the wall.
Oh no. Oh. Did you just rip e-brake?
Oh, buddy, always, man.
Oh, man.
The tank. Where the gogs at?
Alright, we out here. There's one other guy. He's snowboarding. Oh no, focus. Oh, whatever.
Yo, man.
Jokes.
Opposites attract. Look at this shit.
And I'm green and black. It is like full on raining out here. It's actually raining now. It's not even snowing. Probably just be here for like 30 minutes, just get some clips for the vlog. Alright, guys, this is no good. It's so windy out here, I can't even get nice shots.
Huge tobogganing day. Turn up.
I had to slow down so much to not hit these things. Oh God. Oh my God, guys, that was fun and kind of intense. I don't know if you could hear the audio because it's so crappy and windy up there, but it was literally raining and like ice pellets and like I couldn't take out this camera because it was just getting too wet, and so we just had the GoPro and we ended up doing 3 runs because it was just so bad. The weather was terrible, and hopefully we got some good GoPro footage. And yeah, we did like a 2 out of 3 race. Matt won 2, I won 1, so that was our little competition for the day. And yeah, it's just fun to actually get out of the house and go do something. Real talk with you guys. For 22, I want to have as much fun as possible in the next year, and we'll revisit whatever it is I want to do when I'm 23. I want to have as much fun as possible and film as many things. So maybe I'll make it a challenge for myself to go out and do like one really fun activity a week, and not just for the vlog, but because like this, I just had a ton of fun. Way better than just like sitting at home watching Netflix. So that's the little talk, that's the little rant, that's the little real talk. I'm hitting that quarter life crisis. Just kidding, nah. If you guys like the vlog, I'm almost at 200 subscribers, so I need 4 more. So if you could hit that subscribe button, thank you. And thank you so much for watching, everyone that's watching. So comment down below, ice storm bananas, in the comments if you made it to this part. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.